Okay, let's have another go this afternoon. So see if we can do a bit better. That wasn't an amazingly convincing game just played. Okay, maybe Sicilian. I think I've had some interesting Sicilians with this guy before. Should make it a Sveshnikov. I'll take here. I think there's a little trap line. I think I have to move my knight immediately. Because otherwise Queen A4, the little trap line. Okay. So, if I played A6, the knight goes back, am I just helping white? Probably. I want to play knight G7, F5 and E4, bishop F6, bishop E5, maybe IH2. I'll leave the knight on B5 for a moment. If it's on C4, you know, it's on D6. Well, it's on D6 at the moment, but apart from bishop E3, I can't see a big problem about the knight. So F5 and E4. Okay. Well, Queen B6 is potentially useful. What about bishop H3 here? That looks dangerous. Moving another piece around the king here. If I take, if it takes bishop H4 for example, I get that E5 square. In fact, alright, now kicking the knight might be good. Oh no, not good. Not good, coming to D4 like that. Whoops. Okay, no panic. Let's just get the rook in the game for a moment. So something like, oh no, bishop F6 doesn't do anything. But it threatens to double the pawns. He moves the bishop back. Then what's the big deal? Bishop E5 maybe? Possibly it's worth doing. So bishop E5 here. At least it protects the D6 pawn. I've got a bit of a clock advantage. Okay, F5 is a terrible move. Like, what about like can't challenge that F5 square for a moment. Queen B6 is active, but doesn't really do much again. Well, I don't know. Putting this rook on the E file. Well, it's just a pedantic move, attacking the A pawn for a moment. Getting the queen out of harm's way. Alright, so queen D1 up. So, right, if these pieces feel a bit loose, maybe there's something on E4 coming up. Okay, if I doubled, just rook E7 here, so I've got more pressure on that E line. There's bishop G5. Maybe there's F6. Is he going to trap my bishop with g4? I don't know about g4. Okay, so let's double here. That surely makes knight f4 more uncomfortable. If I can take here, it takes with the queen. It's knight f5. What about moving this bishop to attack? Well, attack his a pawn, being pedantic again. This a pawn, poor a pawn. It's not really the main feature of this playing this defense, Sveshnikov, to attack the a pawn. But anyway, it's annoying, probably. My pieces are, at least they're sort of coordinated. The bishop is not so trappable. Knight f5 looks actually quite tempting now, with the bishop here rather than on h3. Am I actually threatening bishop d4 now? I think I've got a good position and a good clock advantage. Bishop d4 seems strong. Doesn't that just win? Because I got bishop f2 after. Yes, I think he's resigned. Okay, adds to the Scalp collection. Yeah, I've just actually, you know, with the cold, I've been losing every other game, and I haven't been very pleased with them. So just today, I think I'm coming back, and it's a good position to come back on the auto pairing. But yeah, I am opponent still. That's a good result. But okay, he's just tiny little things like doubling rooks, getting the bishop out of danger, attacking a4, seem to have quite a big effect when they accumulate. So this is a lot of tactical pressure on that e-file. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.